In this video, we're going to talk about Dubsado payment processing and fees. So let's dive in. Hi, I'm Lainey. I'm a wedding invitation designer, and I love to teach creative entrepreneurs how to make money. One of the big parts of that is streamlining your business with a client management system. So I review and offer tutorials on tons of different ones. You can check them out on the CMS playlist on my channel here. I also have a discount code, which is designed by Lainey, that you can use for 30% off your first month or year of Dubsado. Since I'm a certified specialist, I have a little bit higher code, so definitely use that if you're going to join to get an extra 30% off. So you can set up your payment processing under settings and then receive money. Yay, we love to receive money. So you can use Stripe, Square, PayPal, or ACH bank transfers. These are really helpful because you could be accepting money from a bunch of different places and you might already have some of that going through one of these other systems. So for instance, if you do shows, you can use the Square reader that people can swipe physically, and then you can have that same Square account connected to your Dubsado. I personally use Stripe. I highly recommend not using PayPal because PayPal is known to side with the clients, not the business owners, even when you have tons of written documentation. So highly recommend using Stripe or Square, especially if you're doing large transactions with your clients, because you don't want to miss out on some of that money by, if they file a dispute or something. It's super easy to connect things. You basically just have a thing right here that says where you want to connect, kind of like this one that says for PayPal. Type in your information, authenticate everything, and you're good to go. The fees are $0 from Dubsado, so the only thing you pay Dubsado is whatever you're paying for their monthly. They also have a starter plan now that starts at $20 a month, which is nice. It has pretty much everything you need, or if you want to bump up and use like schedulers, workflows, Zapier integrations, then you can upgrade to their premium plan. So they're not going to add any additional fees, but you'll just pay whatever the Stripe fee is. So right now, Stripe is 2.9%, PayPal is 3%, I believe. Square is somewhere in that same vicinity. So very, very similar all around, and I don't necessarily think like 0.1% should make a huge difference. If you do a bank transfer, you can save a little bit of the fees. I think it's usually around 1.5%, but those are a little bit more difficult for your clients. And one of my mantras is just make it easy to pay you. So I love accepting credit cards. I think it's really, really beneficial to your clients because a lot of them are trying to rack up, wedding points from booking their wedding. When I was booking my wedding, I was really, really frustrated with the number of vendors that didn't take credit card, and I had to mail them a check or find some way to do a bank transfer or do something that was a lot more complicated. Even some of them wanted Venmo, which now has a business section, but at that time wasn't even legal to accept business payments through there. So I just recommend thinking about, first of all, it's easy for your clients, and second of all, how it's going to make your business appear to your clients. The only businesses that I know that make it really difficult to pay you or have like a limit for credit cards is like gas stations, and that's kind of janky, and I don't want my business to be associated with that. So I just want to take credit card payments, make it super easy. I had one client try to pay me with check one time and it didn't get here, and I had her day of wedding stationery, and I was like, you gotta pay me, I'm not mailing this till you pay me. So she had to avoid that check and ended up paying by credit card. So clients love it, you're gonna love it, you're gonna get paid faster. It's a really good idea. Another thing I love about Dubsado's payments is that you can click this accept gratuity, and this pays for the entire premium plan of Dubsado for my entire year. I get tips so much more often than I thought, and sometimes I get like $350 tips, which is amazing. So I love turning this on. That's up to you if you want to do that or not, but I think it's a really cool option that they have. So that's basically it on Dubsado payments. I have tons of other Dubsado tutorials here on my channel, as well as some from other client management systems. If you're still deciding which one is right for you, you can check out some of the comparison videos. And I hope if you do decide to use Dubsado, use my code designed by Lainey to get an extra 30% off your first month or year. Thanks, everybody.